is that Mr. Mbekiseni Ntanzi, Absalom Mtlatlezi Zungu came to this court and stood where you are standing.
And this is Absalom Mbekiseni Ntanzi. Ukuthi no Absalom Mtlatlezi Zungu. Naye wangena kule nkantolo. Wema kule ndawo mekuyona namhlanje.
And he testified as follows.
Yena ke wethula ubufakazi ngale ndlela elandelayo.
Firstly, he disavowed the entire contents of this statement as having been made by him, emanating from him being the source of the contents of the contents of exhibit U that I've read to you.
Pardon, I'm getting lost with the U.
Okay. Mr. Absalom Mtlatlezi Zungu, standing there where you are standing, testify under oath.
Mnumzane Zungu njengoba sengishilo ufike wema la umekhona wafakaza efungile.
And he disavowed, that is, he distanced himself from the contents of that statement as having been from him.
Ekufikeni kwakhe lana ufike waziqhelelanisa nalesi statement. Ukuthi ke kusona statement esenziwe uye.
That he is not the source of the information contained in that statement.
Ukuthi lokho kuqukethwe kulesi statement akuveli kuyena akawona umthombo waloko kuqukethwe la.
That he did not dictate this statement to the person that claims that the statement was made by Absalom Zungu.
Akazange ayisho lenkulumo okuthiwa ke yiyona eyabhaliswa ke Absalom Zungu.
And importantly, he also disavowed the signature at the bottom of that document as being his signature.
Okunye okumqoka ukuthi futhi uye waziqhelelanisa nestatement ne-signature okusayinwe la ngenzansi kulesi statement.
Now, all that I've read to you in that statement that pertains to your name and Mr. Mbekiseni Ntanzi.
Konke engufundele kona la okuthiwa kuvela kuwena ngoMbekiseni Ntanzi.
You've already confirmed under oath that you've never met Absalom Zungu in Durban in late 2017 and that in fact you don't know that area, correct?
Usushilo ngabo ke ukuthi ke wena khawuzange ukusho futhi awuzange ke ube kule yandawo ngoMay 2017 eDurban udibane naye kunjalo?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now the questions that follow are these. Did you tell now, not the Adam Ntanzi brother, did you tell Mr. Absalom Zungu from your own mouth all of these allegations that I've read for you in paragraphs 1 to 3, and I'm going to name them at seriatim?
Ngakho ke umbuzo landelayo uthi wena qobo lwakho siqhu sakho uke wamtshela yini uZungu lezinto ezishiwoyo la kulesi statement esicukethwe kule igaba zale statement paragraphs sokuqala sesibili nesesithathu.
Let's go to this aspect.
Awuthi ngikutshela ukuthi
did you personally tell Mr. Zungu about a fight between another Ntanzi brother and Bongani Ntanzi?
Umtshenile yini uBongani uZungu ngeqolisa umtshenile yini uZungu ngengxabano noma ngokulwa phakathi kukaNtanzi kanye noNtanzi Isnaya umfowenu uNtanzi kanye noNtanzi Isnaya?
Cha.
No.
Did you tell Mr. Absalom Zungu from your own mouth about your other brother telling you that he would not fight Mafika, but he would rather report him to the police for the involvement in the murder of Senzo Mayo?
Ukushilo yini wena kuzungu lokho ngowakho umlomo na ngokuthi umfowenu omunye wakantanzi wakutshena ukuthi yena akazolwa nontanzi lo Bongani Ntanzi okungenani ke ukhetha ukuthi ahambe ayobika emaphoyiseni ngokubulawa kuka Senzo Mayo?
Cha.
No.
No.
Did you, from your own mouth and words, tell Mr. Absalom Zungu that Muzi Sibia and Bongani Ntanzi are the ones that are involved in the committal of the murder of Senzo Mayo?
Ngabe ukushilo yini ngowakho umlomo nangawakho amazwi ku Absalom Zungu na ukushilo yini ukuthi ke o Moses Sibiya kanye noBongani Ntanzi ibona ke abanesandla noma ke abathintekayo ke ekubulaweni kuka Senzo Mayo?
Cha.
No.
No.
Did you, by your own words and mouth, tell Absalom Zungu that the two, that is Mr. Bongani Ntanzi and Mr. Muzi Sibia, at the time of the committal of this offense, were staying at Phosphorus?
Ukushilo yini ngowakho umlomo nangawakho amazwi ukuthi ke laba ababini uMoses Sibiya kanye noBongani Ntanzi ngenkathi kubulawa ke uSenzo Mayo bona babehlala endaweni yaseForth Lawrence?
Cha.
No.